Hey everyone, so this is Hero here. Hey Hero, how you doing? Oh, and a Chucky, and two Chuckies, and Daffy's coming over. Hey Chuckies, how are ya? Hey Hero, off you go. And this is the kookaburra that doesn't have a name. Whoa! A bit shy. Well, hey Hero. Hello! Oh! Bit of drama. Come on. Alright, now this is for the kookaburra. Come on, you can come onto my hand. No. No, Hero. It's for the kookaburra. Alright, I think the kookaburra's gonna have to try to catch it. She's trying to work out how to get in. Hey. No, you're not gonna get in that way. Ow! No. Sorry, you had your pieces. Alright, down you go. Alright, you gonna catch? Ready? Catch! Oh, uh-oh. That was a bad throw. My fault. My fault. Hello! Hey, Sneezy. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Chookies. Here you go. Crumbs, crumbs, crumbs. Yep, all the insectivore stuff. Hello! You're so cute. Alright, do you guys want something? Hang on, I'll grab something. Chooks. I'll get something for you guys. Uh-oh. Oh, Hero must have just been upset with the kookaburra there. Hey Chucky! Oh, I'm just making sure you don't need it all. Hey Hero! What's with this? To you. Come on. There you go. Hero gets a little bit of everything. Alright, off you go. Go on, down. No, you did. Another Chucky. Alright, Daffy. Sneezy. Oh, he's got the names fixed. Ow, ow. Okay. Uh-oh, here come the others. Oh. Hello. Alright. Can you guys share? Alright, there we go. Oh, more chooks. Hey. Oh, poor Sneezy. Alright. Oh. There you go. So they're all grown up now. Hey. Alright, Hero. She, I hadn't seen her for like a few months or something, and now she's back, so... Yep. Alright, well, it's quite a chill day here, so... Well, me at least. Alright.